Alright, so guys, napanood niyo na ba 'tong clip na 'to, about, certain groups na nagpaplanong pabagsakin ng gobyerno. So, even Lacson confirmed that there's a junta. Um, there are the groups na from ex-military or I think even active military na naglalayong pabagsakin ng gobyerno dahil sa mga pangyayari ngayon, sa panahon natin ngayon. Especially this administration under Marcos na grabe yung corruption na nangyayari sa ating bansa, particularly sa issue ng flood control. So, panoorin natin tong clip ni Lacson. According to him, he's receiving message or I think calls calling to withdraw. I think the purpose is to withdraw the support of the military against current administration. So, panoorin natin yung clips ni Lacson.
Mga nag-message na short of confirming na meron talagang such move, but only on the part of some retired military and PNP officials. Ako naman, hindi naman ako nagre-reply eh.
I don't think na it is only from retired or ex-military. I think meron ding mga active military or na active in a service na nagpaplano ng junta. Um, Kasi siguro hindi na rin nila ma matiis ang korupsyon na nangyayari sa ating bansa.
Talagang as in dead ma. Nag-escalate noong before the INC rally. Nag-escalate noong lumabas si Saldico. Tapos hindi ko alam kung meron pa nung after ng speech ni Senator Amy. So
Yun, so as per Lacson, the issue has been escalated. When the rally happened, especially may pasabog si Senator Amy during that rally. And I think for those, you know, ex-militaries or active militaries na um, nagtitiis lang, and then I think na-trigger yung ano nila, yung feelings nila na yun nga, gumawa ng action against this administration or against this corruptions.
So kaya nga sabi ko, di ba, kung ako yung mag-analyze, mukhang calibrated, mukhang sunod-sunod yung mga pangyayari na mukhang coordinated or orchestrated.
Siyempre calibrated yan or siyempre sino ba naman gagawa ng or magpaplano ng junta na hindi coordinated. Of course, they will organize groups from certain regions na magsusupport sa action na gagawin nila. Because of course, knowing na there's a big fish um, na babanggain nila. So, of course, it is organized and calibrated before they will take an action.
And calibrated. Talagang reset. Meaning, pati some groups yung ibang groups kasi nagko-call sila total reset. Parang wala ang presidente, wala ang vice president. Tapos maski yung succession hindi po pwede. So civil military junta.
Para kay Palace spokesperson Undersecretary Claire Castro, mabuti raw at naging tapat ang pagbubunyag ni Senator Lacson sa alleged plot dahil labag raw sa ating saligang batas ang military-backed reset gaya ng junta.
Ito na naman si Claire. So, pansin nyo, pag yung statement is against the administration, yung attack niya is always um, in a defensive way na para bang nasa korte siya. And then if the statement is something beneficiary for them, for the administration, um, doon lang sila nag-acknowledge, which is, um, from some views, um, it will only show that she's biased. So, yun, puro defensive lang yung ginagawa niya for the Malacanang Palace, which is as a, you know, as a spokesperson of the Malacanang Palace, she should have, explain more, um, especially delivering informations sa public, because base kasi sa performance nitong ni Claire Castro for the past press briefing, puro pagde-defense lang yung ginawa niya sa Malacanang, which is um, not good for the public views. So, yun lang. Maraming salamat guys sa panonood.